Okay, then we have the next box opening. So this is how this works. You lift this, oh, this closed. So, but anyway, here we have all the boxes, many numbers, and time to take a new. Oh, it's quite heavy. So I think there's plenty of glass bottles here. So let's see. Okay, so it's time for number 5. It's here, as you can see. Then we have 6, 7, and 8. And rest were here like this. Yes? Good. Okay, so today is 5th day and time to unbox this. Oh, it's a glass bottle. Let's see. Sun-Maid Stout. Rum and Raisin Imperial Stout and oi. Again, really strong beer. This is going to be hard. Sun-Maid Stout. You can freeze frame here, and if you want to see more, yes, store cold, drink fresh. So this is not cold at the moment, so I think I have to put this in the fridge, but that was number 5, and thank you for watching Pekka's YouTube channel holiday special, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.